Good morning, guys. Good morning and welcome back. So till yesterday we completed performance testing basics which are required for scripting, right? Which are required for scripting. Okay, the story is not over. We have few more performance testing fundamental concepts, but we will discuss those while doing scripting or whenever as and when we come across the requirement. Okay. So, but we completed whatever fundamentals are required for scripting as well as week one assessment, right? And I got the I got those emails also. Those who attended the test, I'll receive those emails. I did not go through them yet, right? I'll share the screenshots in the WhatsApp group once I go through them. Okay. So, anyways, now today let us see as per the plan. Today let us see what are the performance testing tools in the market, and I'll make you install Java because why Java is required here, right? Why do we require Java to install? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Why do we need to install Java?
To run the JMeter. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we'll discuss what are the different performance testing tools in the market. Okay, because when you keep JMeter in your CV, they will ask you what are the other open source tools for performance testing. They will ask you what are the other open source tools or what are the other performance testing tools. So you should know what are the other performance testing tools in the market, isn't it? So these are the different performance testing tools, popular performance testing tools. There are a lot of other tools also, but these are more popular. And the most widely used tools are highlighted in bold here. I have highlighted the most highly or most frequently used tools. One is LoadRunner, right? So LoadRunner is the first tool, which is a licensed tool. And previously it was called as microfocus LoadRunner, right? But now it is called as OpenText LoadRunner because this company OpenText has acquired the microfocus. Okay. OpenText, a company called OpenText acquired microfocus. Previously, my LoadRunner was owned by Microfocus, a company called Microfocus. But this year, in early this year, right, in 2023, OpenText bought that Microfocus company. That is why it should be called as OpenText LoadRunner now. Clear, guys? And then you have Apache JMeter, for which you joined the training. And this is the most popular open source tool. This is the most popular open source tool. Now, when you say this, what are the other open source tools for performance testing, right? What are the various other open source tools in the market for performance testing, right? And here I got open source PT tools. So JMeter is the most popular one, and then you have other tools called Locust, Grinder, and Gatling. And Locust is a Python based tool, and it requires knowledge of Python programming language. If you want to work on this Locust, anyone good in Python, guys, here? Or anyone learned Python basics at least in your academics, or did you take any training or anyone took training on Python? Okay, not even one. There will be at least one or two guys.
I know basics, sir. In academics, we have one subject.
Okay. Right. So if you if you know that basics, right, you can keep it in your CV because like if the requirement is for Locust, right, they will come to you. They will select you, because you at least know some Python code, have some basic idea knowledge on Python, and it is based on Python. And JMeter is based on Java. Okay, JMeter is based on Java. So we'll discuss that. What is the meaning of that? Okay. And there is one more tool called Grinder. Again, this is Java-based load testing framework that uses Jython. So Jython is nothing but Java plus Python. Okay. Jython is nothing but Java plus Python. Java implementation of Python programming language. What is the tool? That is Grinder tool. And another tool is Gatling. Right? So these are the open source performance testing tools in the market. And these are the licensed and open source tools for performance testing. Clear, guys? First LoadRunner and then JMeter. Okay, these two tools are competitors, and they have almost equal market share. And then NeoLoad. Third one is NeoLoad. And then you have RadView, WebLoad. RadView is the company name, WebLoad is the tool name. And Silk Performer, again, this is owned by Micro Focus only, right? Now this also should be called as OpenText Silk Performer. And then IBM RPT, there is a tool called Rational Performance Tester, which was developed by IBM company, and it is a licensed tool. And Gatling, Locust Grinder are open source tools, as I have shown here, right? And then Load Ninja, LoadView, Load UI Pro. Okay, there are few more tools also, but I did not list out. I have listed out only popular performance testing tools, and these are monitoring tools. These are monitoring tools, and these are log mining tools, and these are APM tools. Clear, guys? And you learn this. You need not learn all of this. You should learn at least this one, and this one will be covered in the training. InfluxDB, Grafana, AlexStack, this will be covered in the training. Clear, guys? Now, so guys, am I audible? So is it clear or any queries? Yes, any queries? Am I audible, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us see. Let us see. Why do we need Java for installing JMeter or setting up JMeter? Can you please do this, guys? Everyone, please. Go to open a new tab in your browser, and search for Apache JMeter. Search for Apache JMeter. Okay. Search for Apache JMeter. Okay. My ad is being shown here. Good. In the first place. Of course, as I am browsing, it is showing in first place. Okay. Anyways, it doesn't show for everyone. Yes or no, guys? This is my ad. This is my ad only. So can you please check? It will not show for everyone. Just because, I am searching, it is showing my ad. Right? Can you search with Apache JMeter, guys, everyone? And go to so it doesn't show for you, right? This ad is not displayed for everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because because I am I did from my browser, it is showing for me. Yes, I know that it will not show for everyone. Now go to the first, go to the next link, that is jmeter.apache.org. Please go to that link, jmeter.apache.org, or else go to download releases. Go to download releases, and now you see here, you see in bold, the latest version of JMeter, right? 5.6.2 is the latest version of JMeter available in the market, and now this requires Java 8 plus. Okay, now what is the meaning of that? Java 8 plus means if you want to use JMeter, you need to install Java first, or you should be having Java installed on your machine first, and the Java version should be 8 or higher version. That's what it means. Java 8 plus means you need to have Java 8 or higher version, right? And now below that you have binaries, right? There are two sections here, binaries and source, isn't it? Go to binaries and click this zip file, Apache JMeter 5.6.2.zip. Click on that link and it will download JMeter onto your machine. I will explain this. What is this source? I will explain that later. You don't require source, but download binaries. Clear, guys? Click on this link and it will start downloading. I am already having JMeter on my machine, so I am not going to download it. But it should download like this. It should download a zip file, 5.6.2. Okay. While it is downloading, let us check whether we have Java on our machine, right? So it says clearly here that we need Java 8 plus, isn't it? Now let us check. Let me show you how to check if Java is installed on my machine or not, or how to check if Java is installed on your machine or not. Open a command prompt for that and type Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. Right? Now observe here. If you see similar output, right? If you see similar output, I am saying similar output. Java version and చూపిస్తుంది అనుకోండి. That means, you already have Java installed on your machine. And this is version. On my machine, I am having Java 17 version, which is fine. So it said like Java 8 plus, means 8 or higher version. So this is absolutely fine. Understood, guys? Right? Can one of you share your screen, those who are not having Java on your installed on your machine?
I don't have, sir.
Please share your screen. I want to show the error message, or I want to show the output, if someone don't have Java installed on their machine, I want to show how does the output look like. Can you please, and we will install Java on your machine, Padma. Can you please share your screen? Yes, wonderful. Thank you. So what is it saying here? It is saying here, Java is, one second. One second. So what is it saying here when you type Java space hyphen version? It is clearly saying here Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. Right?
Yes.
Now so first you need to install, Java now. Before, you can download JMeter. Did you start downloading that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And while sharing the screen, right, stop your screen share once and share it properly. When sharing your screen, select screen. Don't select any program.
Okay, sir. Shall I stop it now?
Stop it once and reshare it. How many of you got that output? Java is not recognized as an internal or something. Blah blah blah. What is that? How many of you got that output?
Sir, is it okay, sir?
It's fine now. Yes, we are now seeing your complete desktop. Okay. Now first let us install Java. Right? See.
Yes.
Can you please give me control? Can you please give me control? I am sending a request to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got it. Thanks. Now I got control of your system. Thank you. And now see, what is it saying here? Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. That means Java is not installed on this machine. Now first, download Java. Okay. Because we cannot, okay, let me do one thing. So this JMeter is JMeter is downloaded, right? So without Java, you cannot start JMeter first of all. Let me show you that. So this is a zip file that got downloaded, right? Let me extract it now. Okay. Right click and extract all. And you can save JMeter in some other drive. Can you save it in some other drive? In D drive, most probably. In the D drive, create a folder, okay, called software, right? So create a new folder. And or you can use a PT or something. Anything is fine. So now I will save this extract into this folder, guys. Okay. So click on browse and select the D drive. It's PC. Oh, you have E drive also. E drive is completely free.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you want me to move into that E drive?
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'll move this folder into. I'll cut it from here and move it to E drive. Where is that E drive? Okay. Now I will extract to this folder. Where is that? Where is that zip file? Where is that zip file, man?
I think in downloads.
That window got closed. Seems like that window got closed. Okay. That's it. So this is a zip file, guys, right? So now use extract all and give the path. Okay. So choose that path, E drive software. Select folder and then extract. While it is extracting, we will install Java. Okay. We'll download Java first. Okay. So open a new tab and search for, we'll download 64-bit Java. I'll explain what is 64-bit and what is 32-bit later on. So for now, Google search for download 64-bit Java for Windows 10. Is this Windows 10 or 11?
I think 11, sir.
No, you should know that. Okay.
I forgot.
You should know that. You should know that which
Okay,
version of
sir.
which operating system you have on your system. Hey, sorry. Not control panel. Go to settings. Where can we see that, guys? This PC, you can try this. There are multiple ways to check that. On the desktop, you have this PC shortcut, right? Isn't it? So this PC, go to properties. Yeah, I'm sorry. Doesn't show up here. One second. Yeah. Yeah. So in the search bar, type, can you please give me control again? I'm sending a request again. Please accept that request.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in your search box, type about your PC, right? About your PC, and that will bring up this window where you can see your operating system, right? So this is Windows 11, Windows 11 Home single language. This is your operating system version. Clear, guys? And 8 GB RAM. It is having 8 GB RAM. It is a 11th generation Core i5 processor. Okay. Now, so where are we, guys? Yeah. Download, just Google search for download 64-bit Java and go to the first link. Please do this, guys, along with us. Everyone, please do this along with us and click on that Windows Offline 64-bit. Windows Offline 64-bit means the whole installer file will be downloaded. Let it download. So, the file will be downloaded like this, JRE 8U391 means 8U means here, 8 is the version here. U391 means update 391. Okay. Update 391. That's what it means. So 391 is the minor version and 8 is the major version. It is scanning now. Now it is done. Now you can, so is this extraction completed, guys? Let me show you this thing. Is the extraction completed? It's still going on. Oh, it's taking this much time. Why is it taking this much time? Let me check that performance time. Memory is 82%, hitting 82%. Okay. CPU utilization is also high. That's fine. Okay. Let me install Java meanwhile then. Okay. Let us install Java meanwhile. Okay. Go to downloads folder and you have Java downloaded. Java got downloaded here. And again, it is 64-bit x64. That means 64. This is 64-bit Java. Double click that file to install it. So you will get a window saying that do you want this program to make changes? You want to allow this program to make changes to your system. And can you please click yes there, Padma Priya?
Yes, sir.
Is it done? Okay. Now Java installation will, now, click on this install button, right? To install Java on your machine. By default, it will be installed in C program files. So it will not ask for any prompt because, it is a 64-bit software. It will be installed in C program files. Okay, by default. If you can change the path also, but, not required. And one more thing. So can you click on that piece, this PC here? Or else, give me control once. One second. This PC, 64 GB is free. So, okay. then it should be, you know, this, but the system is very slow. Maybe that is because of RAM only. Yeah. See, you can see here memory is hitting 90%, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason why your system is slow, and also CPU is also hitting 100%. Right?
Yes, sir.
Because, you know, of course, because, you know, you have Windows 11, right? Windows 11 is the latest software, and the system configuration is not latest one. That is why, you know, you can see that CPU is hitting 100%, memory is also hitting 90%. That's why the system is slow. That's why, you know, that extraction, that zip file, unzipping the file is taking time. Yes.
Okay.
Everyone knows this, guys, how to check task manager, or how, you know, how to read this information, how to interpret this information. Everyone knows that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can clearly see here, you know, CPU is above 90%, CPU utilization is above 90%, and memory utilization is also 90%, approximately 90%. And that is why this, you know, that unzipping, extracting the zip file is slower. But anyways, let it continue. It will be slow, but it will be done. Now go to your, click on the Java icon on the desk, on the taskbar, on the bottom taskbar. Yes. Now
Here it is.
no, we are not seeing that window. 1 second. It is saying Java setup complete, right? Please
Yes,
close
sir.
the task. Yeah, you have successfully installed Java. Now click, close that. Yes, click on close. Now open a new command prompt. Open a new command prompt. And try the same command that we used before to check the Java version.
Okay, sir.
Enter. Okay. Now it is showing the Java version, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can check if we have Java installed on your machine or not. Clear, guys? And it is 64-bit Java. Here you can see it. Okay. Here you can see that it is 64-bit Java. And it is version is 1.8 or Java 8. This is Java 8, guys. This number represents, you know, the version. Java version. Got it? So that is, which is fine. So, you know, here it clearly shows that, you know, this JMeter requires Java 8 plus. 8 plus means 8 or higher version. Clear, guys? Now let me close these tabs. We're done with this. And I'll close this one also. So I'll close this task manager as well to free up some memory. Close the task manager and close that settings also, settings window also. Close that settings window also. Yes, you can close this one also. Now go to your, you know, like, no, please wait. Go to your E drive, where, you know, where you extracted the, type Windows E for Explorer. No, Windows E on your keyboard. Type Windows E on your keyboard.
Yes, sir. It's getting like.
Go to your E drive software.
Yes, sir.
And now you have JMeter extracted here, right? Now go inside that folder. Right. Go inside bin folder. Bin for binaries, guys. Go back once, please go back. Let me explain the folder structure once. So in this Apache JMeter 5.6.2 version, you should read it as 5.6.2. Okay. It should be read as dot, but not point. Don't read it as point. It should be read as dot. Okay. So JMeter 5.6.2 is the version that we downloaded. Now there are 3 folders. Observe here. There are 3 subdirectories: bin, lib, and licenses. Bin is for binaries, lib is for libraries, and in libraries folder you will have all the jar files. Can you go to that lib folder once? You will have all the jar files, executable jar files. Clear, guys? And go back once. In binaries, go to binaries, right? Bin folder, and you will have a file called, you know, to start JMeter. Can you please, you know, let me take control. Okay. So there will be a file called jmeter.bat. This one, right? It is a Windows batch file, but here we are not seeing the extension, right? To enable the extension, go to view, click on view and show file name extension. Select this one. Everyone, please do this, guys. If you are not seeing that extension, if you are not seeing that file extension as .bat, go to view and show file name extensions. If anyone is using Windows 10 and if you are unable to find that option, please let me know. I will show that. If anyone, this is Windows 11, guys. So these options will be different in Windows 10 and 11. If anyone is having Windows 10 operating system, please let me know. I'll show where should we enable the file name extensions. Okay. And now this is your JMeter batch file. How to launch JMeter is, this is one way to launch JMeter. There are multiple ways again. One way is to use this JMeter.bat file. Okay. It got closed, right? It opened and it got closed, isn't it? So there is some other issue. We'll fix that. And this is another way to launch JMeter, Apache JMeter.jar. All right. Default app, Java. Let's use always. Okay, it is throwing some error actually. Let me fix that error. Let me try to fix that error. There is some issue on your machine. There should be a file called jmeter.log. Okay. No, it did not clear the log file. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me right click on it and run as administrator. If it asks for any confirmation, can you please click on yes? No, it's coming up and going up, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Okay. Anyone else was able to, you should be able to, others should be able to start JMeter.
Yeah, I think the 100% download is not completed. That's why.
No, it is down. Oh, yes, you are correct. The extraction is not completed. Download is done, but file extraction is not done. Okay, we need to wait for this. Do you have any other desktops? Desktop 2 or something? No? No, right? No, we have only one desktop. But it is why it is so slow. i5 should not take, i5 11th generation processor should not take this much time. Okay. So maybe, you have some malware or do you have any antivirus on your system?
Yes, sir.
McAfee, is it McAfee? This one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. It should not take this much time. It's very, very slow.
Why it is like that, sir?
Maybe there is some malware. I actually, even though you have antivirus also, still it will not take much time. This much time. Do one thing. Can you? Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me download anti-malware bytes. Okay. There should be some malware which is consuming your CPU.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in the background, it should be consuming some CPU. You see here, this is taking 17%, this is 15%. But the total is 64%. But this doesn't make sense now. Open a browser once. Open a Chrome browser or any browser. And download anti-malware bytes. Google search for anti-malware.
Malware.
Malware. You got it down in the sessions.
Yes, sir. Which one I should download, sir?
This is antivirus. Please wait. Anti-malware bytes. Okay, please wait. Right. Let me take control.
Okay, sir.
Malware bytes, sir. So free download. This is a free download.
Sir, shall I click install?
Yes. Personal. Choose your production type. Personal. Select personal, first one.
Yes, sir.
Click next. Add browser guard. Not required. Skip this for now. Click on skip this for now.
Yes, sir.
Do it later if you want. Is this done? Let us check. Meanwhile, minimize this one. Minimize this. It will be running in the background. Minimize this. And check that JMeter folder is extraction. Yes. Is that done? Yes, that is done. That window is closed, right? Yeah. Now
Yes,
go
sir.
to your JMeter folder once. Go inside that folder. Yeah. Now go to bin folder.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now start JMeter.bat.
Hmm.
Yes. Yes. Now we have installed JMeter and we launched JMeter successfully, right? And this is how the default JMeter looks like. It will be in dark theme. Dark theme will be enabled by default. Or dark look and feel, LAF under. This is called as LAF, look and feel. Clear guys? So we launched JMeter and we installed Java and we launched JMeter successfully, right? So without Java, you cannot launch this JMeter. Clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, you can there are multiple ways to launch JMeter, right? So let me show you those. I closed that one. This is one way by using JMeter.bat. This is one way. What I will do is I'll keep a shortcut on the desktop. I'll keep a shortcut for this on the desktop. Okay, right click and create a desktop shortcut. And now there is another way to launch JMeter. This one, Apache JMeter. Just double click on Apache JMeter.jar. So this is another way to launch JMeter. Clear guys?
Yes, sir.
And there is one more way. What is that is you can go to that JMeter folder, bin folder, right? And type cmd here, open a command prompt here, type cmd, okay, and just type JMeter. Sorry, type JMeter. This is another way to launch JMeter. Clear this? And if you don't like this dark theme, for example, basically dark theme is given to save power. But if you don't like the dark theme, you go to options. Okay, you go to options, go to look and feel, and select Windows or Windows Classic or Nimbus. Okay, and you see there are dark laugh. You see something called dark laugh selected by default, right? There is a radio button selected by default. Dark laugh, dark killer. That means this dark theme is called as dark laugh. Dark laugh stands for look and feel. LAF stands for look and feel. If you don't like it, if you want to change the theme, go to options, look and feel, and select Windows or Windows Classic. Okay. And this is how it looks like. Windows Classic look like. So if you don't like this one also, or if you want to try other ones, okay, you can choose the other options. Okay. Now, what is it saying? Changing LAF look and feel requires a restart to work correctly. Click yes to exit JMeter. If you want to change the look and feel, right, you need to restart JMeter. That is what it's saying. If you click yes, now JMeter will be restarted. Clear, guys? So this is how we can change the look and feel. If you are okay with the dark theme, keep it as it is. Otherwise, you can change the look and feel. And see if there are few more look and feels called metal. Okay, let us see that. You can give whatever you like. You can use the look and feel whichever you like. This is metal. Clear, guys? And you can see here right now metal is selected right now, metal theme. or metal look and feel is selected now. If you want, this is good, right? Shall we go ahead with this, or shall we go with dark left? Okay, you can go ahead with this. This looks cool to me, right?
Yeah,
And
yes, sir.
we'll, stop the screen share. Stop your screen share. Will right. This is how we can launch JMeter, guys. Now, how about others? Is everyone done with JMeter setup on your machine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have some new joinees. Yokesh. Yokesh, I think you joined couple of sessions before also, right? And Ajit. I think Ajit also joined few sessions before. Hi, Ajit.
Hi.
You joined before also, right? This is
Yeah.
You are the one who joined before, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yokesh, hi Yokesh, are you able to hear me? Yokesh, can you please unmute? So this is my plan, guys. So I want to give an application walkthrough on Monday and start scripting on from Tuesday onwards. And anyways, again, we'll conduct a poll in the WhatsApp group and we'll go with the majority people decision. So all those who confirm their joining are there in the WhatsApp group. I'll exclude the members who are not, who did not confirm their joining yet, will be excluded from this group, and we'll continue with the majority people decision.
Okay.
Any other queries before we close the session, guys?
Pawan. Hi, Pawan. Krishna.
Yeah.
Like we didn't spoke about the rate part and everything.
What is that?
The rate part, like how much you're gonna charge for?
Okay. Fee structure, I'll share it in WhatsApp.
Yeah, thank you.
If you want only JMeter, fees is 10,000. Performance testing fundamental recorded sessions and JMeter will be because we completed performance testing fundamentals. So remaining part is JMeter, right? So that fees is 10,000. But if you want monitoring and analysis also, okay, along with JMeter, fees would be 15K. And let me show you I have a course content document. So let me show what all will be covered in the full course. So let me open this PDF. I'll share it to you in WhatsApp separately, or I'll share it in the group.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the JMeter course contents, JMeter 5.6 course contents. And yes, so till here, all the concepts are, mandatory for everyone till here. But these concepts are optional for freshers, but mandatory for experienced guys. I mentioned it here. Optional for freshers and mandatory for experienced guys. Which one? Java concept, JVisual, VM, execution, reporting, BlazeMeter, JMeter integration with InfluxDB, Grafana, Elk Stack, right? Integration with App Dynamics. These are mandatory for experienced guys. If you want these also, or if you want to try with experience, then the fees would be 15K. If you want only JMeter, fees is 10,000. Is it clear?
Okay.
And please save my WhatsApp number so that you will get updates on the batch timings and other updates, new batches and etc. So please save this WhatsApp number. Otherwise, you will not get our updates. Got it, guys?
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
sharing, I will not be sending one-on-one messages. We are using some CRM application to share the updates and on the new batches and all. So if you don't save our WhatsApp number, you will not get those updates. Right. And we are also on Instagram. So please follow this page if you are interested. If you have an Instagram account, and if you are interested to get updates, please follow this Instagram page, MGM Training.
15K along with the LoadRunner, right, Pawan?
No, LoadRunner fees is different. So this itself will take 60 to 80 hours for me. Let me show you batch tracker, some of the batch trackers. So we have a batch tracker for every batch. This is the current batch tracker. Okay. And if you see let me show you my previous batch tracker. June 2023 batch. If you see this, right? So it will take 80 hours approximately for each batch, for each tool. Got it? So 15,000 is for each tool.
Okay.
So 80 hours, 15,000. So per hour, it will be less than 200.
Mhm.
So I'll show you July batch tracker also. So any batch, you take any batch, it will be approximately 80 hours.
Okay.
Let me show you, July batch tracker. This is June batch, which I have already shown. Right? September batch is still running. And I want to show you the completed batches so that you'll get an idea, like, how long the duration would be. Right? This is my July batch tracker. So you can see here 81 hours training was done for only JMeter. This is for only JMeter.
Mhm.
Here we started JMeter somewhere here, right? So we started JMeter here on 31st July, 7th month and July, right?
Mhm.
And you can see like all these are related to JMeter. In the last we covered this, InfluxDB, Grafana, Alexstack and all this, BlazeMeter and all this, which are required for experienced guys. First I will complete JMeter and then like I will cover like, these advanced concepts which are required for experienced guys. This JMeter integration with Alexstack, InfluxDB, Grafana. You see here, somewhere I mentioned InfluxDB, Grafana. We covered, yes, InfluxDB, Grafana, and all this. These are required only for freshers. These are mandatory for freshers and optional for mandatory for experienced guys, optional for freshers. These monitoring tools. And if you want these also, fees is 15K.
And one more, Pawan, like, do you have any other timings for the batches? Because this gonna be time for me.
This is the only new batch that I have now. If these timings are not convenient, so once this one second. I have two other batches running actually. This was started in September and it is about to be completed in 10 days. In another 10 days, this batch will be completed. So once this batch is completed, I will start a new batch during these timings. 8:30 to 9:30 are the timings, fixed timings for this.
The AM or PM?
AM.
Okay, you don't have any sessions going on the PM?
Evening time, we have one more batch. The timings are 7 to 8 p.m.
7.
Again, that is also like it will take another 10 days to complete that current batch. So I have one evening batch as well. This one, October 2023, LoadRunner evening batch. Right. So this is done by 42 hours. So in another 10 to 15 days, this batch will be completed. Then I will start, during this time. 7 to 8 are this batch timings. This is evening batch. You see here, right? Evening batch.
Yeah.
Any other queries, guys? Anyone? Okay, I'm
So, Pawan, will you add me in the WhatsApp group or what?
What is that?
Are you going to add me in the WhatsApp group?
Yeah. So we will add to the WhatsApp group once you confirm your joining.
Okay.
Only confirmed participants will be added to the WhatsApp group. That's why, request you to save my WhatsApp number so that you will get updates.
Yeah, I got your WhatsApp now, but I need to confirm with my timings, like PM
Yeah,
session.
sure. We'll discuss it later. Okay. I'll I am on top of the hour. I'm stopping it for now. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Pawan.
Yeah. Happy Diwali to everyone, guys.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.